Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. For more information regarding the civil engineering concepts, please follow my website civilbasics123.com. So go to Google and type civil basics 123. So click on Google search option. So here my website link will be open here. So click on my website link civilbasics123.com. So my complete website will be loaded here like this. It will be consisting of detailed concepts regarding the civil engineering concepts. So I will post at least one article per 2 days. So you can select any one of the article for complete details about this respected civil engineering concepts. Okay, so please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to calculate the dimensions of water tank, which is related to the circular one as well as the rectangular one, which is consisting of 2 lakh capacity as well as the 5 lakh capacity. So basically the capacity of the water tank will be depends upon the population. Okay, so if you consider if the 500 people are living on that respected area, we need to multiply that respected value with 100. Why? Because 100 is the maximum amount of the water that is utilizing by the person in a day. Okay, so that it can get the values approximately 500,000. Okay, so if you want to make that respected water tank to 5 lakh capacity, then we have to assume the population is 5,000 people. So 5,000 multiplied by 100, which is comes under the value is 5 lakh. Okay, in this video I will explain you how to calculate the dimensions of water tank by using rectangular water tank shape as well as your respected circular water tank shape by assuming the capacity is 2 lakh capacity as well as 5 lakh capacity. Okay, so I was already posted how to calculate the dimensions of water tank for 2 lakh and 5 lakh capacity in my website civilbasics123.com. Please read the complete article in my website. Okay, so basically water tank are used to store the water or liquid sections, okay, under consideration. Okay, so depends upon the considerations and depends upon the classification. Water tanks are classified into 3 categories. One is related to the resisting on groundwater, and one is related to the underground water tank, and one is related to the elevated water tank. Okay, so the resisting on groundwater tank is the first one. This respected resisting on groundwater tank is used to distribute the water from one position to the another position. Okay, so next one is groundwater tank. So basically this respected water tank is used to consider the storage of the water under the ground level. Okay, so the perfect example for this respected underground water tank is construction of water tank at the apartments. Okay, so this is first one is related to the resisting on the ground level. Okay, and last one is elevated water tank. So this is the frequently used water tank nowadays for storing the water section. Okay, so for the ground resisting water tank section, okay, so basically the water supply will be comes under your pumps as well as your gravitational force. Okay, so under the underground water tank section, the water distribution system will be carried out by using pumps. Okay, under the elevated water tank type, so the water distribution section will be comes under the gravitational force only. Okay, so if you in order to distribute the water completely under the gravitational force, we need to go with elevated water tank. Okay, so depends upon the shape. Again, the water tanks are classified into different categories like circular shape water tank and square water tank, rectangular water tank and in-phase water tank and spherical water tank and conical dome water tank and polygon water tank. So depends upon the usage and depends upon the requirements. So we need to use the proper water tank shape. Okay, so first one is related to the calculation of dimensions of water tank for a rectangular shape. Okay, so here in the case one, just I am assuming capacity of water tank is 2 lakh liters. Okay, so we have to assume the volume of the water tank is 2 lakh liters. So if you want to convert the value from the liters to cubic meter for the water, we have the formula is there. Okay, which is related to the 1 meter cube water equals to 1000 liters. Okay, so from this conversion we can easily convert the liters into cubic meter. So volume equals to 2 lakh divided by 1000, so that it can get the value is 200 meter cube. So let us consider water tank which is consisting of length is x and width is y and height is z. The volume of the water tank is taken as xyz. Okay, so now by assuming the values which is related to the length, width and height as 8 meter, 6 meter and 4.5 meter, now the water tank volume will be become as 8 meter multiplied by 6 meter multiplied by 4.5 meter, which is approximately equal to 216 meter cube. So here as per our requirement, the volume of the water tank is required only 200 meter cube, but here it is obtained as 216 meter cube. Okay, so this respected value is suitable for the tank. Okay, again next one is related to the 5 lakh capacity water tank. So the volume of the water tank is 5 lakhs. So for water 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. So 5 lakh divided by 1000 so that it can get the value is approximately 500 meter cube. So by considering the length of the water tank is x and width of the water tank is y and the height of the water tank is z, the volume of the water tank is taken as xyz. So here by assuming the values which is related to the length is 12 meter and width is 8 meter and height is 5.5 meter, the volume of the water tank will be get as 12 meter multiplied by 8 meter multiplied by 5.5 meter. So which is comes under the values 528 meter cube. So here the calculated volume water tank will be 528 meter cube, which is greater than the requirement of 500 meter cube. So hence the value is satisfied. Okay. So the final dimensions we have to assume the rectangular water tank is 12 meter cross 8 meter cross 5.5 meter for the rectangular section. Okay. So now I will explain you how to calculate the volume of the water tank for the respected section of circular shape. Okay. So here the circular tank which is consisting of 2 lakh capacity. So the volume is taken as 2 lakh liters. So for water 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. So by converting the volume to meter cube, 2 lakh divided by 1000 which is equals to 200 meter cube. Again, let us consider the water tank which is consisting of a diameter is d and height is h. Okay. So by taking the volume of the water tank formula pi r square h. Okay. So by taking diameter equal to 8 meter and radius equals to 4 meter and height equals to 4 meter. Okay, volume of water tank will be comes under pi r square into h. Pi into 4 square into 4 which is approximately equal to 201 meter cube. So the volume of the water tank is approximately equal to 201 meter cube. So as per our requirement it is greater than 1 meter cube volume. Okay, so hence the assumed dimensions are satisfied as per the consideration. So now I will explain last one which is related to the circular water tank which is consisting of 5 lakh capacity. Okay, so for the water 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. By converting the volume into meter cube, 5 lakh divided by 1000 which is equals to 500 meter cube. Okay, so let us consider the water tank which is consisting of diameter is d and height is h. So again for the volume of the water tank equals to pi r square h. By substituting the values which is related to the diameter equal to 12 and radius equals to 6 and height equals to 4.5, we can get the volume of the tank is approximately 509 meter cube. Okay, which is greater than as a 500 meter cube volume. Okay, so hence the assumed values which is related to the 5 lakh capacity water tank are satisfied. Okay, so again this is the comparison table for the dimensions of the water tank under the calculation part. Okay, so for the rectangular shape for 2 lakh capacity it is getting length is 8 meter, width is 6 meter and height is 4.5 meter. For the rectangular shape with 5 lakh capacity, length is 12 meter, width is 8 meter and height is 5.5 meter. For the circular shape of 2 lakh capacity, diameter is 8 meter and height is 4 meter. For the circular shape of 5 lakh capacity, the diameter is 12 meter and height is 4.5 meter. Okay, so this is the complete calculation part which is related to the how to calculate the dimensions of water tank for the circular as well as the rectangular tank by using manual calculation. So if you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. So I was updated already this respected calculation part in my website. So please follow my website for the complete calculation. Thank you.